Hi, my name is Kelly Pryan. I'm one of the clinical dietitians here at WellStar Health Place. And one of the most common questions I get asked by my senior patients is, should I be taking a calcium supplement? So today I want to discuss how to get enough calcium in your diet. As we age, we naturally lose bone mass. Calcium is an important mineral to keep our bones strong and prevent that loss. Bone health is best maintained by diet and exercises. Some of the best sources of calcium are going to be our dairy products, such as milk, cheese, yogurt, and cottage cheese. You can also find calcium in some non-dairy products, things like almonds, oranges, some of our beans such as chickpeas, pinto beans, white beans, and one of my personal favorite would be figs. It's also found in some fortified items such as cereal and some orange juices. The recommended daily amount for older adults is about 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium a day. So if you're interested in knowing if a supplement is right for you, first let's take a look at how much calcium we're getting in our diet. I find this chart to be very helpful. For instance, if you're having 1 serving of milk and 1 serving of cheese a day, you're already at 500 milligrams. Plus, we recommend adding another 250 from other food items. That brings us to a total of 750. Where are we going to get that extra 500 from? My personal recommendation is to add a couple more servings of dairy a day. And as you can see from this chart, it's very easily done. If you have any questions about calcium, you're welcome to meet with one of us dietitians here at Health Place. You can check out our social media, our website, or email us at nutrition@wellstar.org. I hope you have a happy and healthy day.